In the realm where nature's beauty lies, climate change no case the Samanian skies, rising temperature a warning sign, unleashing havoc both yours and mine. The polar ice caps majestic and grand, now melting fast, slipping through our hands. Sea level rise, our relentless tide, coastal communities left terrified. By the name of Almighty Allah, most honorable chief guest, respectable principals, headmasters, honorable teachers, dear brothers and students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable chief guests and respectable teachers, we are very thankful to education department personnel and the others are unable to express our heartily gratitude for the continuous efforts to arrange such a constructive program to awake our latent potentialities, to develop our skill and enable us to face the future challenges and various periods of life and to make us the best citizen of the country and the world. Honorable Chief Guest, on this happy occasion of Tournament and Debates Day, I'd like to express my thoughts on climate change and their effects. Honorable Chief Guest, I'd like to draw your attention to a pressing issue that affects every single one of us, climate change and their effects. Climate change refers to a long-term alteration in temperature, precipitation patterns, and other aspects of the Earth's climate system. It's a global phenomenon that has far-reaching consequences for our environment, economy, and our all well-being. Allah says in Holy Quran, "Zahara al-fasadu fil barri wal bahri bima kasabat aydi nas." Evil has appeared and al-bahr because of what the hands of men have fallen, that they may make them taste a part of what that they have done in order that they may return. Honorable Chief Guest, climate change is primarily caused by the extreme weather events and to implement measures to reduce greenhouse gases into atmosphere. Primarily from human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial process. All the leading industrial countries like America, China, Russia, and Australia are responsible for that. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a rise in global temperature, which can disrupt the delicate turn up balance of our climate system, including our beloved Pakistan. Honorable Chief Guest, rising temperature have led to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, resulting in the rise in sea level. This poses a significant threat to coastal communities and low-lying as they face the risk of being submerged. Moreover, extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and heat waves have become more frequent and intense, causing immense damage to infrastructure, agriculture, and human lives. Honorable Chief Guest, furthermore, climate change has far-reaching economic implications. Government businesses and individuals are forced to spend billions of dollars each year to repair damages caused by extreme weather events and to implement measures to reduce greenhouse gases emissions. These costs are likely to increase in the future if we fail to take immediate action. Honorable Chief Guest, however, it's not all doom and gloom. Honorable Chief Guest, it's not all doom and gloom. We still have the power to mitigate the effects of climate change and create a more sustainable future. By transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gases emissions. Additionally, adopting sustainable agriculture practices, protecting forests, and promoting conservation efforts can help preserving its immeasurable worth. Honorable Chief Guest, furthermore, individual actions play a crucial role in combating climate change. Simple change in our daily lives, such as reducing energy consumption, recycling, and using public transportation can make a significant difference. Honorable Chief Guest, by making sustainable choices and educating for change, we can collectively contribute a more sustainable and resilient future. Honorable Chief Guest, in conclusion, as an urgent climate change is an urgent and complex issue that demands our immediate attention. Let us all unite and work together to combat climate change of our planet for future generations. Let us all unite and work together to combat climate change, to mitigate the effects of climate change of our planet for future generations. Let us protect our home, this precious earth, preserving its beauty, its immeasurable worth for future generations to come. Let's pave the way to a world where climate change no longer holds sway. Thanks all of you to being with us. Thanks.